Hello everyone! I'm here again in my veranda area, so I want to give an update on my succulents here. So please excuse my voice, it's not that good because right now I have cough and also my kids have, so I'm not really feeling well, but I miss giving an update about my succulents. So right now, today is November 7, time check 7 a.m. in the morning, and I'm trying to get some sunlight, and I have decided to share an update about my succulents here too while standing under the sun. So I'll have vitamin D, so my cough will go away. So I'll be giving you an update on the succulent or parts of succulents that I have cleaned up before. So there was typhoon here in the Philippines, and it was raining. It was yesterday that it did not. It was just yesterday that it did not rain. Yeah, starting yesterday, and I hope today too. So let's start. So this is the path that we have cleaned up before, where my Astrophytum asterias are potted. So look at this Astrophytum asterias. It's a chocotile. So if you would notice, the skin or the outer part of the Astrophytum asterias is still wet because of the morning dew, not because of the rain. And I can see some ants, so maybe I'll spray alcohol after the video. So far they are okay, and they are still flat in shape. Look, before they are not like that, just like what I have said in my previous vlog, but they are now flat. So below are some more parts of our Astrophytum asterias. And we also have the other kind of cactus. Look, I just cleaned up this one, and now it's starting to have weeds again on some part or some parts, and it's very hard to get because the thorns. Anyway, I haven't cleaned up completely all the paths here, and the first part that I have cleaned up, they're growing weeds already. So I haven't done much here in my veranda area because I'm sick and because of the weather too doesn't permit me so. So look at our blue clouds, still beautiful. Another blue cloud, and our cream tea. This is our jewel tone, black rose, I think. This is our blue cloud too. I think this is an Ava Beauty. So far the others are trying to recover. So let's go to the next rock. So we have here our Tinkerbell, and I can see some ants, and it's very lush, right? So pretty. And this is our mini bell. Oh, I think this is red bell. The mini bell is the one on the tip. And this is our red blush. Look good. This is an agavoid, so it's trying to recover. And this is our Marcus. So if you could remember, I have removed the inner part or the inner leaves of this rosettes because it was infested by aphids like this, but much more. But right now it's giving offset already. I hope you can see it in the video. Yeah, so hope it can grow well. And below I have here my Murasaki. So my Murasaki, most of its leaf fell because of the too much rain or water they're getting. And we have our beautiful Tradieta. It's not stressed, doesn't have much stress color, because the stress color of this Tradieta is red tips. And beside it is we have our Chloe. So look at the babies, it goes so fast, right? And another part of our Murasaki, which become smaller, they're set, and most of the leaves fell. Yeah, although I have a leaf propagation there, so I hope it would recover. And below is I have my non-variegated Supreme. And this is our cubic frost. Not cubic. So excuse me for the noise. I paused the video for a while. So this is our topsy-turvy. So it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think 5 head already. Before, when I bought this topsy-turvy, it's just a bigger set. And this is our purple haze. I think it's recovering. And another pack of purple haze. If you would see, it's very dull in color. And let's go to the next rock. We have our Pedum clavatum. So I have potted, or I have cut this one, I mean. So on the stem that I cut, there are already growing babies or offset, same as this one. Look, so I hope they can get more sunlight so they can grow more healthy. We have our Gymnocalycium variegated one in front, and the purple haze, and this one a variegated Gymnocalycium. And look at our ghosty. So the color is so dull. Most of my succulent here have dull color because it's been raining a lot, and there will be another typhoon that coming. And look, there's mealybugs there. I have to spray alcohol. And below we have our Arunpei. Look how dull the color of our Arunpei, right? Becomes green. Before it was really purplish. And a variegated Gymnocalycium, our cheesecake, our Bill's Baker. Yeah, it's growing well, the offset. And Gymnocalycium variegated one. And I have here Arunpei, very dull in color. So this is how the Arunpei look like when it's dull in color. And our Queen Victoria, another pot of Arunpei. This one is much colorful compared to the other two pots. So this one is our Ghosty, our Sedum Adolphii that's trying to recover from the fungus and aphids. So let's go to the third rock, fourth rock already. So we have our Habitier. Pretty nice, right? But some of the leaves fell or become mushy. And this is our Morphine, our Equipria Silk Veil, and our Arunpei. And in front we have Cactus, variegated Gymnocalycium, Black Gymno, and non-variegated. Below we have another pot of Ghosty, and this pot has many leaf propagation on it. So we have here a pot of variegated Gymnocalycium. So the cuttings that I made from Choco Hawa was able to survive. Yeah. And this is our pot of Pat's Pink. Doesn't look good. but it's trying to recover, yeah. And there are lots of tree propagation there. And our pot of purple haze. And in front, I still have variegated Gymnocalcium there. And I have here my elephant bush or jaylet. And this is another part of our Arunti. And this is our part of Morphine. Look what it's trying to recover from fungus actually. But I know it can recover if it would not rain. And we have here a part of our purple delights. So not much colorful, but it's so plump because of too much water you're getting from the rain. So let's go to the next rock. I still have here a purple delight, gold in color, the cactus. If you would notice, weeds are starting to grow again. So our purple delight, cactus. This is Orion. This one I do not know the ID. This one is a Chinese barrel. So below I have here the purple delight, Girawan, non-variegated Gymnocalcium, Zero Tone, purple delight, Cryptopetal Lumirini. Look how small the rosette. Even though they're getting too much water, but they don't get enough sunlight, the rosette will become small. And this is our Jadieta, very beautiful. And our blue cloud, Choco Moonstone, and our Prolifica, very nice and pretty, although not stressed in color. And I think we have this, I don't know the exact ID, but it's really beautiful. Look at the tip of the leaves, that neon green color. This is a propagation of my Ava Beauty. This one is a carunculated succulent, but the caruncles is gone. You can see in the outer leaves there's carunculate. So this one is the Love and War. So it's a 3 rosette. And this one I do not know the ID. This is our Roman. And this is our Ava Beauty, Agavoid. On the next rock, we have our cactus. I think this is new. Peach Beauty, Orion, another part of Peach Beauty, Mew, and an Echeveria that I do not know the ID. And this is our variegated Gymnocalcium in front. So below I have potted an aloe here. And our far pillar doesn't look good, but I hope it can survive at least. This Echeveria, I do not know the ID. So this is our purple champagne that's still colorful at least and pretty. The rosette is perfect, but the farina is not perfect and flawless. And I have here an Agavoids. Below is I have a Prolifica, another pot, and Agavoids, cactus. This one, I'm not sure of the ID, but I think it's a kind of Agavoids. And look at our Madiba. In front we have the variegated Gymnocalcium potted in a clay pot. So this is the last rock that I have cleaned up before. So I have here my Alba Beauty, my Dusty Rose. At the back I have here the variegated Supreme, Suyon, so Black Rose. This one, I'm not so sure of the ID. I'm not so sure if this is Roman. We have our Peach Candy, doesn't look good here once. Madiba. I'm not so sure if this is Apus. This is our Lucidum. Our Binate. This is our Super Bomb. Something eat the leaves of the Super Bomb. We have our Annabelle. We have, I don't know, the ID and the propagation path of our Choco Moonstone. Our Cream Puff. Benemusume. So, I don't know what happened. Now, it has white marks naman. I think an insect bite the leaves. Look. Oh, so sad. And this is our twirl. Cream Puff. And our colorful Firestorm. Below we have our Golden Barrel. Other types of cactus. Look at this Gymnocalcium. It's like a shining star. So bright. And other cactus there. And this is the last rock that I'm going to share. So yesterday afternoon I was able to clean up. So the succulent here died. So I cannot remember what's the succulent there. So I'm just going to replace it. If it would not rain later, I'll replace it. So this is Lola. Yeah, it doesn't look good. And look what happened to our lenguas. But look at our pink curls trying to recover. Our blue clouds. Our heart delight. Our love and war. It's actually a two-head. And our jade plant. Below we have our peach candy. So we have our Amabile and there's a leaf propagation over there. So cute. This one is the succulent that have a neon tips. This one is our Orion. This is our Nana Hokomini. Our PVN. So this is my last part of my PVN. I hope it can survive. Our dark eye and our Madibas. So this is actually a gift from Ate Jo. Ate Jo, it was able to survive. Thank you so much for this gift. So before when I got this, it was really mushy, but now it's already two-head. It was actually two-head before. And then we have our Ellen trying to survive. Our Longissima. So something's eating the leaf of my succulent. So I have read a comment in my channel. So what is the pesticide that I am using? So I'd like to share that I'm not using any pesticide. I'm just using alcohol to kill or treat the pests in my succulents. I'm not just used of using them. So I just use alcohol for safety. So this is my Hercules. It's actually two-head, this one and this one. Now it has two more babies. The other one is at the back. And this is our Alba Beauty. So this is my sharing from the veranda area. So I cannot update you with the other parts in the garage area because my little chubby is so noisy whenever I'm doing a video. That's why I have to tie him. But even if I tie him, he's still keeps on barking when I do the voiceover while taking the video. It's very noisy. So, well, that's how dogs are. So, that's it. I'll try to clean up more pots. Actually, there are really lots of pots that I haven't cleaned up. Starting from there, tables. Look how many more pots I'm going to clean up. So many. And I cannot find time because of the rain. And I'm still recovering from my sickness. There. So it's still, I'm still happy that they're still alive. And there's still 3 more rocks to clean. This one and this one and aloes, and these are the last pot that doesn't look like last anymore. Yeah, and this is my propagation pot. And there's another table here that I have to clean up. Look what happened to our white Monroe. So, bye for now. See you on my next video. I hope I can get well, so I can do lots of things in the garden. So, bye for now. See you on my next vlog. Bye. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone, and let's keep on praying. God bless us all. Happy gardening.